In this video, I'm going to tell you guys why I picked up a used Toyota 4Runner and why you might want to pick one up too. So the very first thing that drew me to Toyota was reliability. I was looking at Sequoias, I was looking at old Tacomas, Tundras, things like that. And I was looking on Marketplace, and there are so many of these old Toyotas with 200, 250,000 miles that are still going strong today. The biggest thing that breaks them down around where I live in Western PA is rust. We live in the Rust Belt. If you go out west in California, Arizona, things like that, these things last forever. And I knew if I was going to be buying a new vehicle, investing money into a depreciating asset, I wanted something that was going to last a long time. And Toyota is definitely known for doing that. So the second thing that led me to the Toyota 4Runner is this is one of the last midsize SUVs that is still body on frame. It's not unibody. It's based on the Tacoma frame. This thing is still able to tow. You still get that truck feel, and it doesn't just feel like you're driving a lifted Honda Civic or a minivan or things like that. So, funny story, right after I bought this, I took it in for a little bit of maintenance and I got a loaner rental vehicle. It was a brand new Toyota Highlander, but it just felt like I was driving a big minivan. So, body on frame construction still feels like a truck, drives like a truck. Was the second biggest reason I went with the 4Runner. Now, this list is no way in from least to greatest or best to worst, but the third reason I bought this truck was resale value. The Toyota 4Runner has one of the highest resale values out of all the cars in the market right now. The top 10 list is headed by the Tundra, I believe. The Tacoma's up there also, but the 4Runner was fourth or fifth on the list. I did pay a pretty penny for this 2016. That's what, 7 years old. But I know that whenever I go to sell it, I'm gonna get top dollar for it too. I was honestly looking at buying an old one, like maybe a mid to late 2000s. I was looking at the V8 models, um, and people still wanted 10 grand for one that had 200,000 miles. So these things, they're known to last forever if you take care of them, and the resale value is really great on it. It's good for sellers, not so good for buyers, but you're investing into a car that you know if you take care of it is going to last you for a lifetime. So this is a 2016. This is a fifth generation Toyota 4Runner. Now, they started the fifth generation in 2010 and they did a front end refresh update in 2014. And since 2014, there has not been much that has changed about this vehicle. Small things here and there, some different color schemes on the inside with the infotainment center and all the HVAC controls and things like that. But for the most part, these things haven't changed in close to 10 years. So this 4Runner right here, that's a 2016, looks almost identical to a 2023 that you guys go and buy brand new off the showroom floor right now. So it makes this thing, being an older vehicle, not such a bad thing in the eyes of how it looks in day-to-day traffic. And it doesn't look like you're driving a 6-year-old vehicle. All right, so last but not least on our list here is going to be a feature that I don't know if exists on any other vehicles other than Toyotas. I know the Tundras do it, I know the Sequoias do it, and I know the 4Runners do it, but I don't know of very many other vehicles that do this. But you put the key in, and the window goes the whole way down. Now, this is cool because, one, I have 2 dogs. They can poke their heads out the back. You open up all the windows, this thing's got a sunroof too, and you put that down, and this thing feels like a Jeep. I had a 2015 Jeep back in the day, and I would take all the windows off. I'd unzip all the windows, but I'd still leave the top on for whenever it was sunny out. And this gives you just the same feeling, almost. Not completely, but almost. And when I drive around and this window's down, I can just see it in people's faces. It's not something you see every day. I know that some people are jealous that the Toyotas do this. So this is gonna be my new daily driver. This is my new vehicle. I'm excited to do more things to it. It didn't come with these wheels and tires on it, and there's a couple other things that I've already done. I'm going to do some reviews for you guys. I want to specifically talk about the tires and the wheel combination that I got, driving characteristics, things like that. Do some more mods and just document with this vehicle. I haven't been excited to do this with a vehicle in a long time, probably since my GTI. So if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment and let me know what you want to see in the future with the new 4Runner. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video real soon. Peace.